Hello everyone and welcome to M Tutorials. In today's tutorial, we're going to be talking on WhatsApp dark mode. So what are actually the advantages of dark mode? Well, most of us happen to work mostly at night, not even at night. Some of us have eye problems, and this is usually due to overlighting of the phone, the brightness level elevated in addition to the application's background image and color. So to do that, to redeem that, WhatsApp came out with the latest version which contains the dark mode. Okay, many of us usually look for apps that contain dark mode or apps that can need the dark mode in Android application, which usually exists, but WhatsApp doesn't support most of those apps. So before going to that, I invite you to check out our channel, subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel. Make sure you are a subscriber, and if you haven't clicked on the bell icon, I'll invite you to click on that. So without wasting time, let's go to our Play Store, searching for WhatsApp. Okay, you can see the latest release was made on March 16, 2020. And you can see the message there saying the dark mode is now available. Try it by going to settings, chat, themes, select dark for users on Android 10. Dark mode is enabled automatically when you turn it on in system settings. That's actually very quick, nice mode. So you just update the app as I've done, and then once the update is done, once you've downloaded it, click on open. You can see my WhatsApp is on night mode. So what we're going to do is go to settings, chat, theme, and click on dark theme right here. Okay, so you see immediately it turns on to the dark theme. This is really a very great feature on WhatsApp, so they've really added many people, including me, which don't always like things. So thank you for viewing this tutorial, and please share. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials that are coming.